It's not a problem of strategy. It's a problem of self-mastery. Hindi nakadepende ang success mo sa mga tools because all the tools are already available for you. Nakadepende ang success mo sa sarili mo in how you can control yourself. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron ka na namang hindi magandang language towards yourself, sinasabi mo na namang hindi mo kaya, you have to intentionally break those patterns and create new patterns. Papaltan mo ngayon yung lengguwahe. Ngayon, initially, that will be a new trigger. At kapag bago yung trigger, syempre yung proseso hindi pa sanay, meron tayong tinatawag na resistance. So mahihirapan ka pang i-process yung bagong trigger, yung bagong information. Kaya dapat paulit-ulit. Kaya dapat naka-structure. Kaya dapat gusto mo talaga na i-unstuck yung sarili mo. Gusto mo talagang mag-move forward.